Hi dear friends, how are you? I'm Vikas, driving instructor from Vikas Driving School. Today I have Deepika with me. She just passed her driving test. So Deepika, you pass your driving test.
Yes.
How you feeling after passing the driving test?
I'm feeling good. Yeah.
Yeah, you're feeling very good. So I just want to ask how many, this is your first attempt or a second
No,
attempt?
it was my second attempt.
Second attempt.
Yeah.
So just want to ask about your experience. How much experience you have before giving your driving test? So you are used to driving back home, like overseas. Did you learn from your parents or family members?
I was knowing the driving from my home country. Then I
Okay.
started like driving here without taking any lesson. And when I was doing the Uber Eats, then all of a sudden it was the requirement to get the a Victorian license, so I
Yes.
get exemption and I applied for it.
Yes.
So I gave the test 2 days back. Unfortunately, like in the last attempt, I did a single mistake and this like I haven't passed that test. But today I'm so happy. Like even
Yeah, many congratulations to pass your
like
test.
yeah, I was very stressful today. Like I was very normal last time. Today I was very stressful because of my last worst experience.
Okay.
So it was very good, and like you said, don't stress, don't be nervous, it will be good. And like I was driving normally as I used to drive every day. So on the whole it was very good. Thanks to you, thanks to the Vikas Driving School,
Welcome. You are welcome.
yeah, who built up my confidence and boost me that okay, you will be fine. In the end it turns out good. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Vikas.
So last time you failed your driving test. Please, will you like to share the mistake what you did in last time?
Okay, I was like my test was for like for 45 minutes. Everything was going good, but when I was coming back to the Vic Road School route on the Smartner Road, when I was turning to the Pasco, when I was turning to this Pascoville Road.
Yep. Turning
and-
left or right?
Right.
Right.
So
Okay.
I was on the Smartner Road, and when I was turning right, it was a green light, but I was not knowing that even if it's green light, there was a zone of 40 because some road work was going on. So I
Okay.
just turned right,
Yep.
and I was standing in the mid of the lane, and I just stopped the
Yep.
line and the traffic. So
Okay.
it was a blunder mistake, and because of
So
that,
means a give way traffic light.
Give way
So you
traffic
was not understand about the give way
give way
traffic
traffic
light.
lights. I haven't
So
stopped
where
there.
you need to stop and
Yeah.
how you need to go.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very confusing for lots of students, especially for the beginner. So they fail their driving test because the student, they know the simply light.
Yeah.
So the arrow light, the
Yeah.
arrow become green, so they go but the green only single traffic light, they get very confused and they
Yeah.
fail their driving test.
Yeah.
Because in lots of country it's not common like a
Okay.
give way traffic light, and especially beginner, they don't have much experience.
Yeah.
Especially overseas people, they don't know about the give way traffic
Yeah.
light.
So that was my mistake.
Yeah, and that is only single mistake
Yeah,
they
that's
find
all.
out.
Yeah.
Your mirror check, everything
Everything
was
was
perfect. They
perfect.
haven't mentioned anything.
No.
So that's very good. That means you are a very good driver. So you need to just a bit very careful about the road rule and regulation. And this time, how did you did they mention any mistake you done this
No,
time?
they said you
They-
did very good.
They haven't mentioned.
But
Yeah.
then they just told me that be aware of the road marks. Like
Road
if
marks.
it's 40 limit, that's it. Otherwise, they said you.
That's it. Yes. Yeah. So
As you taught me yesterday in my lesson,
Yeah.
that you have to be careful when there is a road mark.
yeah, so many congratulations
Thank
to
you so
pass
much,
your
Vikas.
driving test
Thanks.
in a second attempt. So would you like to give some message to my students so they can pass their driving test in a first attempt? These days passing a driving test is very stressful.
Yeah.
Student, they pay lots of money and still they don't pass their driving test.
Yeah.
So I feel very bad for them. So passing a driving test should not be stressful, should be very easy. Would you like to give some hints, some tips to my students? So especially most of the students, they feel very nervous. They
Yes.
know how to drive a car.
Yeah, yeah, same
So
like
they
me.
are very good in driving,
Yeah.
but thing they facing the problem
Yeah.
is they get very nervous. Any exam we go, so we feel very nervous. So would you like to give some tips to control the nervous and about what they need to
Yeah, focus
more
on.
concentrate on that?
What I did, in the morning and yesterday, I just took one lesson. What I recommend is that if they are choosing the suburb like Kulru or Broadmeadows, once they go through the Vikas driving school videos, because from there I come to know that what is next, like which route they are taking. So I was aware of all the routes.
So videos are really helpful,
Really helpful.
to build
Like
your
there was one
confidence.
video, yeah, there was one video like where you have mentioned like instead of going the continuous line, we have to go the right. Like it's just near to the Pascoville when we go from
Yeah,
Roxbury.
every area there
Yeah.
is some tricky places.
Tricky places. So I've been through that videos. That was helpful for me, and I was more confident because I was knowing what is next. So videos are very helpful. Moreover, like to build your confidence. So that's the main thing. And don't be nervous because like don't waste your time on like just focusing on single things. According to me, because of him I got the driving license. So according to me, he's the best instructor. And even I haven't paid him before. I just paid him after the test. So for me, he's the most honest and a friendly driver.
Thank you
Instructor.
so much giving and praising me and giving very honest feedback.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So these are the tips, my dear friends. Still, if you have a question, any doubt, please don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section, and I will reply you very soon. And please don't forget to subscribe, like. If you are on Facebook, please like my page, and if you are on YouTube, please subscribe my channel, because it will help to algorithm to go my video on the top rank. So thank you so much. So bye for now. We'll
Thanks.
see you very soon with the next video. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.